6 toxic boyfriends to get away from. We love them as far away as possible. Well, says the saying, we like the bad life, and we'll talk about that because even when there are warning signs about some guy, we ignore them because we got used to being with him or his bad ways. It does not have to be that way. Stop them and keep them at bay. Although each relationship is different and unique to members of a couple, there are toxic patterns and warning signs that are quite common in all relationships. These usually occur in the name of love. However, unfortunately, there is very little of this feeling in between, rather it is immature love. And to save you a painful path next to men with which you could live immature loves, we found out what are the 6 most common types of toxic boyfriends that we will call John for practical purposes, in what could end a relationship with them, so, we will show you how to deal with them. A very complete combo. Take note. 1. The emotional roller coaster. John likes drama, and when things seem to go well with Laura, John will start a fight or he will seek to blame Laura for everything. Adding to the drama will result in a turbulent relationship. The bad moments will be as many as the good ones. When Laura gets fed up with the fights, John will explain that his starts are the result of a lot of love he feels for her. 2. The plague man, the locust man. Laura is in a new relationship when her ex-boyfriend, John, appears again. He reminds her how happy they were together and tells her that he still loves her and wants to see if they can take another chance. Laura is flattered by his words, she pays attention and thunders to the new lover. This is the 3rd time they return together. A month goes by and John will tell Laura that things are not working and he will be absent from her life again. 3. The manipulator. John likes to tell Laura how to dress, with whom to go out with and what to order in restaurants. He will monopolize her time and insist on spending every moment with her, making her understand that it is important that she calls him every 5 minutes. This is because John loves Laura too much and cannot be a minute without her. 4. Hulk. John would be the perfect boyfriend if it were not for his outbursts of jealousy. He will not let Laura talk to other guys and questions everything she does or says. Sometimes he does not accept that he is jealous, but he will express his anger in other ways, such as his long silences or having a bad attitude. If I cannot be with you, nobody can. 5. The psycho. John has had a bad day at work. When he arrives home, he immediately yells at Laura that she is a slack woman and that the house is always a mess, since all Laura did was leave a water stain on the table. John may even hit Laura's dog. She will go away shutting herself in her room or leaving the house. A few hours later, John will be the same as always and wonder why Laura is so distant. 6. The used and abused. Laura loves John, but what she really loves is when John buys her gifts and goes for her to work. Laura gets more excited when John arrives with flowers and chocolates to see her. Laura is obsessed with the idea that a Prince Charm will come to solve her fights. If John had not paid on the first date, Laura would probably not be dating him. Do not let a toxic relationship or a "but I love you" make you waste your time. Engaging in a toxic relationship will depress you, no matter how strong you are. There is no perfect relationship, but healthy relationships, and let their actions speak for themselves. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.